Namaste everybody, and welcome back to JoJoButter, your one-stop spot for spiritual, metaphysical, esoteric, energetic, and magical awareness through artistic expression, philosophical understanding, and scientific facts. And today, I would like to teach you guys the healing capabilities of a Tibetan singing bowl. Let's get it. Historically, these Tibetan singing bowls were used by the monks of Tibet, and traditionally they were for mindfulness activities such as meditation, prayer, deep thought, and even chakra energy balancing and healing. Ooh. The enchanting and long-lasting sounds these bowls create are like an energy medicine. They help your brainwaves synchronize to the perfect resonance of the bowl, meaning that these bowls are one effective medium for changing a person's state of consciousness. So let's get down to the facts. Modern physicists state that everything in our universe is in a constant state of vibration, from our thoughts to our emotions, to a table, to a bowl. Now, what does this mean? Vibrations come in two forms. They can come in harmonic vibrations or non-harmonic vibrations. Harmonic vibrations are going to be a repetitive, predictable, natural flowing pattern, while non-harmonic vibrations are going to be a little bit more chaotic and unpredictable. Some examples of a non-harmonic vibration is going to be popcorn popping, crumbling paper, or breaking glass. Harmonic vibrations are going to be that of an instrument, a guitar string, someone singing, something that sounds natural and flowy. Now, since everything in this universe is constantly vibrating, we know that our atoms are vibrating, and we want them to be in a natural flow state. So using a singing bowl helps to not only harmonize our emotional and mental states, which will impact the effectiveness of your body's ability to self-heal, but also harmonizes the energy flow of the body. Experiencing physical, emotional, or mental trauma can have an effect on your body's rhythm. So using a singing bowl can help to regulate the disharmony in your body and help get your body back to a natural flow state. Using a singing bowl is just one modality and one method of getting back to that natural flow state. And I hope you guys try it out. As always, stay woke, JoJoButter.